3, 2, 1.
Hello, greetings to you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. From wherever you're watching this video, please welcome to Moneycoin Apps and Airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video on YouTube, please do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you can always be the first to get updates whenever I upload new airdrop videos to this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us on how we could participate on Alterprotocol KYC, which started today. So if you are watching this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide. First of all, you have to update your app on Google Play Store. After which you've done that, you open the app. Now, after which you have opened the app, the next thing you have to do, you click on Airdrop. Now, when you click on Airdrop, it brings you to this current interface. Now, there's an indication of something we have to do. If you look at this header section, it's indicating a red sign, and if you also look at this part here, it's indicating complete digital identification. So if we either click here, it will bring us to where we have to do our KYC, or if we click on this complete digital identification, it will take us to the same place. It says digital identification, provide the piece of information plus the tags below to finish the identification and collect 10 aptos. Now, what we are going to do, if you are a male, you choose male. If you are a female, you choose female. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm a male, so I'll pick on the male. Now, the next thing we have to do we also have to follow them on Twitter. If you are following them on Twitter, what you have to do, you take a screenshot. It says after following us on X, take a screenshot of our Twitter page and upload it here to confirm that you follow us. Then after you've done that, you also have to follow them on Telegram. It says after subscribing to Telegram channel, start this bot to copy your UID, then insert the UID into the box provided below the page to authenticate your subscription. So what we have to do, we'll click on this start the bot. I'll click on Telegram icon. Now I'll click on start. Please do ensure you follow this process so you don't make mistake. I'll click on the start. Now it will generate my ID, so I'll copy it. I've copied, so I'll go back to the app. And I click on airdrop again. Then I click on complete digital. I'll select me. And the next thing I have to do, I'll insert my Telegram UID here. So if you are watching this video, follow the same process. Now I have to follow them on X, formerly known as Twitter. I'll click on follow on Twitter. I'll tap on the icon to direct me to Twitter. I'm already following them on Twitter, so what I have to do, I will screenshot and upload to the platform. So what I have to do, the screenshot which I have done, I'll upload it here. It says select X image, so I'll select the file here. This is the file. I've selected it. Now what I have to put here, insert your Twitter or X username. So I insert my Twitter username or X username, whichever one. Now after which I've done that, the next thing I have to do, I'll click on submit data. And when I click on submit data, it displays ad for a few seconds. Then after the ad, it's I exited the ad after it finished displaying. And the next information it displays here is what you are seeing. It says information submitted. Thank you for your submission. We have got it and it has been validated by the system. Continue to recommend and claim token, and on daily basis you have to also receive 10 aptos as a prize. Have an incredible day. So this is it. The remarkable thing here is that by doing your KYC, it says you have also received 10 apto as a prize. This is how you can validate your KYC. Now after which I've done that, you can see here it indicates that I have done my KYC. It's having a green badge. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, do ensure to give this video a thumbs up, and also do ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell notification icon. I remain your friend Desmond on Moneycoin apps and airdrops. Do also ensure you register on this airdrop. It will be launching soon, and don't miss out. Bye and have a great weekend.